Hi there, today I'm unboxing a portable Bluetooth speaker. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. It's quite nicely packaged, nice sort of glossy feel to it. Some details about the actual device. As you can see, the packaging's been damaged in transit a little bit, but not a big deal. So 10 watts power on there, we've got a rechargeable battery, Bluetooth 4.1, a microphone, stereo sound, and a 3.5mm jack. Some more details about the actual product itself. So by a company called Gladorn, and the product is a sound plateau. Comes in two different colors, black and blue. Okay, that's the packaging. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Okay, initially we've got the speaker. We'll come to that in a second. A card with special offers. Extended 18 months warranty. So 18 months warranty, that's quite useful. A user manual. Should be straightforward though to use these devices. In a number of different languages, including English, so that's good. Then we've got USB charging cable, micro USB connector on there. Quality seems okay, that's fine. Then we've got an auxiliary cable. Just a note, not gold plated, but that's not a major issue. And looks like fixtures for the actual stand on the speaker. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual speaker itself. So got a nice materially finish on there. The back of it is a nice strong plastic construction. Got a tag there as well. I guess you could hook it onto something if you wanted to. So good. Don't think it's leather, but got a leather look to it. If I show it like so, yep, so quite nice. So on the back, you've got the off and on, you've got the power in and the line in. So power wise, to charge it up, it takes 5 volts, 500 milliamps. And here you've got a circle where you plug the stand in. So let's just put that on there. So that's quite straightforward to do. Literally just screw it on. And there you go. Plastic construction, the actual stand. Okay, if you look on the side, we've got a volume button, down, up, and play, pause, and answer call. So quite a useful device. Obviously you can play music on there, and you can also answer a phone call if you wanted to take one. So use it as a hands-free device. So next thing, let's try pairing it to a mobile device, so my Android phone. So initially, let's turn it on, just there. Okay, gives an indicator that it's on. I'll place it on its actual stand. Got my phone here. Let me turn on Bluetooth. And we'll go to Bluetooth on there. And let's see if we can see the device. Let's click scan. There you go, sound plateau. Click on that. Simple as that. Already paired up. So initially, let me find some music which is royalty free, and let's see what the sound quality is like on that. Okay, so I've got my selection of royalty-free music ready here. Obviously we've already connected to the speaker, and let me hit play now. Let me put the volume on max on my phone. Let's hold on to this, so the plus. We hold on to it, it will skip track. Quite easy to use. And now if I just keep repeatedly pressing it, if it beeps, that means it's on maximum volume. So clarity wise, there's no distortion on this. Sound quality is very good, a nice amount of bass and treble. So considering how slim it is and small it is, sound quality is very good. Let's skip to another track. So I've done that in the background on my phone. A very impressive speaker. Sound quality wise, it is really good. So let's put this to the side for a second and get the auxiliary cable, and let's see what the quality of this is like off this. So for a situation where you don't have Bluetooth, so take that and we'll plug it straight into my phone. Okay, so let's hit play with the auxiliary cable in. That's on max. That's on max. Still really good. Clarity wise, really impressive. Okay, that's pretty good. Next, let's have a go at taking a phone call on this. Okay, so let's make a call from my mobile to the home phone. So phone's going to ring any second now. So let me answer that. Okay, so testing 1, 2, 3. As you can hear, clarity is really good. Bit of an echo. If I click there, it should end the call. There you go. It's cut the call straight away. So works well. Clarity wise is very good. Okay, so there you go. Hope you've enjoyed the test of this Bluetooth speaker. Couple of things to note. Takes around 3 hours to give it a full charge with sort of mid-range volume on this. It lasts about 10 hours. Design wise, I think it's really cool. Weight wise, there's hardly anything to it. Really light speaker. Really cool design on there as well. Simple to use, easy to pair up with your phone as well. Multifunctional as well. So you can actually use it as a hands-free speakerphone. You can also make use of the auxiliary jack on there as well to be able to use devices that don't have Bluetooth on there. Sound quality is really phenomenal on this. Clarity is very good, bass is nice and clear, no distortion at full volume. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.